Yo, hold up! Is that the abandoned Bugatti Chiron yacht everyone said was DON for? All right, bring her down steady. Watch the starboard side. Stern line secured. We need more slack on the crane. All right, let's move it. Slowly now. Watch the clearance on the right side. Keep it steady, steady. Now the next step is standing the machine in front of the garage.
Elevating platform now. Hold stabilization at 20 meters. Confirmed. Engaging robotic arm 1, initiating cleaning protocol on sector 4. Standing by with the repair schematics. All right, repairs are complete. No damages left. Confirmed. Initiating transport sequence.
Start with the upholstery here, but be gentle around the stitching. It's delicate. The primary interface is completely unresponsive. We have to replace the...
Okay, connect the orange wire to the blue port, then check the schematic for the voltage regulator.
Orange to blue, got it.
Ensure the connectors are fully seated. The thermal sensor is showing green now.
The screens are powering up now.
Systems are nominal. The dashboard is fully restored.
Hand me the wiring schematic. Let's get this installed and...
The system is reading low voltage on the auxiliary circuits.
That explains the intermittent gauge illumination. I'll reinforce the ground connection here.
Yo, hold up! Is that the abandoned Bugatti Chiron yacht everyone said was DON for?